So, good afternoon, sir. I am Alvin John Drable from AB Philosophy, fourth year, credibility track. And I would like to hear from you. I would like you to introduce yourself. You're graduated in XU AB Philosophy.
So good afternoon. My name is Rene Adorable. So I graduated at Xavier University last May 2023, 2015. Yeah, 2015.
Thank you, sir. So, I'd like to ask, what are the three highlights of AB Philosophy studies that uh, you remember?
Yeah. So philosophy of man because it helps me as a human being, um, especially in the formation, in understanding the human dignity of a human person. So the purpose and the reason of existence, yeah, and how to live a good life, no? Especially in relating with other human beings. And then the second one, the philosophy of ethics, because it was a good foundation for me, especially in terms of living a moral life, good life. And the third one, philosophy of religion, because for me, it was a good foundation, especially as a ex-seminarian, how to rationalize my faith. So I thought before that faith is not something that can be reasoned out, no. But I've learned that uh, faith is can be reasonable. Okay, you cannot just simply believe without reason. Yeah. So faith and reason that has to be go together. Yeah, faith and reason. I think that's it for the highlights.
So, thank you for that
So
highlights, Sir Rene. So, let's move on to the careers that you pursued after finishing AD philosophy. Did you study another course or proceed to what you have right now?
actually, I did my theology after my philosophy. No, I took a AB theology at LST. No, the Euler School of Theology in Manila. Yeah. And then eventually I left the seminary and now I am working as a campus minister.
So let's move on to your, as you've mentioned, your current position right now as a campus minister. So how XU AB philosophy training has helped you on what horizons, doors, and paths that XU AB philosophy degree has opened for you?
Yeah, it was good because now as I have said, I am working as a campus minister. At the same time, I am also the head of the office in our campus ministry here at Saint Columban College in Pagadian. So it's very good because I am dealing with students, with different human beings. So philosophy of man is a very useful subject, very useful learnings that I've got on how to deal with human beings with dignity and yeah, the human itself is a precious one. And then the ethics, no, how of course with students, working students, it has to be has to be professional and of course it's setting us a good example for the students, no? How to live a moral life, a good life. Yeah, especially nowadays, no? Students are really seeking for answers. They're very good in terms of yeah, they keep on questioning. Yeah, one of so I've learned in philosophy, no? Seeking understanding, And as a human being, we keep on seeking the truth, seeking answers. Of course, we seek questions also. We also ask questions always.
Thank you, sir. So now
So
let's proceed to the last one, which is I would like to ask you your key insights about philosophy studies, philosophy training, and life after graduation.
maybe the insights that I would share or that I have gained from studying philosophy is that living a good life, moral life, especially in dealing with other people, just live, just live simply and be kind to one another, and having faith in God and living that out through words and actions.
Okay, so thank you, sir. I think that would be all.